Alright, welcome to my first video for Space Shell. And I kind of just want to tell you a little bit about this project. Basically what I wanted to create was a space sim where you actually created and worked on the ship as if really you were in the ship. So let's get started and let's kind of give you a little tutorial here. Basically this is our ship. As you can tell, everything is modular. All these pieces are destroyable and they all function as one actually. So when the ship moves, everything, even including you, will move along with it. So let's get to show some really cool stuff off here. As you can see, we are actually out in space. Alright, so we got that established. I haven't got the interface here quite ready. But what I wanted to show off is actually what I've been working on most of the time, which is actually the electrical core components. So, here it is right here. This is a generator. It actually produces actual energy, volts. You see all these little spots on it. See a little white square right there and one right here. These are what I call fuse points. What they do basically is allow you to actually connect these lines, and each line is connected to various different objects, which actually produces and carries along voltage. Now the voltage can be interrupted and can be changed depending on what type of devices are actually put on the line. As you can tell, this light right here keeps going on and off. It's because if you look right here, we actually have a timer switch, which will actually times on and off, on and off. And these guys are here are actually always connected to the power, so they're always on. But they are also interactive, as you can see. Now, it looks kind of unsightly with all of the wires everywhere, but I'm hoping to be able to have it so that you can put it inside the walls, which will come later on. But let's show you kind of what happens when you turn off the generator. Everything goes out just like real electricity. Now isn't that awesome? And also all these lines are here are also destroyable also. So in the midst of you exploring the unknown universe, there's going to be times where you're going to have to stop and repair parts of your ship, and that's kind of the design. It's supposed to be a point where basically it's an open sandbox game where you can actually go in space and you actually try to survive. But it's going to have a little bit of a dark horror type atmosphere. Kind of where you would want to be, how do I say this, gripping your armchair most of the time. There's going to be times where you actually are invaded in your ship, and there's times where actually you're able to invade other ships to scavenge resources that you will need in order to survive. Alright, so basically let's show you here's another switch right here. And this controls this electricity line right here. It comes from the wall, as you can see, and all the way through here, all the way up into the light itself. And well, here is our door. I just got this program today, so it's not perfect. It's a what I call a piston motor. These lines actually run straight into the piston. Right now I only have it hooked up for one way, but it's actually programmed for both ways. And what's really cool about it is that I have a motion trigger, which I haven't got set up right now. But basically what it does is it senses the collision detection whenever a character moves within a certain area, and it'll actually activate and allow current to go through, which would actually turn on the door and actually open it or close it. Now let's kind of show you a little bit about going through space. Let's pass by these nebulas. Alright, here we go. Well, obviously, yeah, not cool. So, that's basically all I got so far. Except for a little bit of glitch there with my character controller. Anyways, thanks for watching.